ServiceTitan is built for large field service companies, which is why most cheaper alternatives strip out heavy automation, advanced reporting, or multi-team dispatching just to keep pricing lower. By the end of this, you'll know the cheapest real alternatives to ServiceTitan, what each one is good at, and which option actually makes sense depending on the size of your business. Start with the first type of alternative. Lightweight field service apps are usually the cheapest entry point. These tools focus on basic scheduling, job tracking, and invoicing. They work best for solo technicians or very small teams that don't need complex dispatching or deep reporting. The trade-off is limited automation and fewer integrations compared to enterprise systems like ServiceTitan. Next is mid-range contractor software. These platforms usually combine estimating, scheduling, and invoicing in one system. They are built for small to mid-sized service companies that want structure without enterprise-level complexity. You get more workflow control, but not the deep analytics or advanced optimization tools found in higher-end platforms. Now look at CRM-style field service tools. Some platforms lean more toward customer management and sales tracking. They help you manage leads, send quotes, and follow up with customers, but field operations are simpler. That makes them cheaper, but less powerful for dispatch-heavy businesses. Next is mobile-first job apps. These are designed around technicians in the field rather than office management. They are often lower cost, but they simplify scheduling and reporting to keep things fast and easy on mobile devices. Now look at where people usually save money. The cheapest ServiceTitan alternatives usually avoid per-user complexity and heavy customization. That keeps the base price low, but it also means you give up scalability. Next is the hidden trade-off. Even if a platform is cheaper upfront, costs can rise when you add more users, connect accounting tools, or unlock advanced features. So the cheapest option depends on how fast your business is growing. Now the key breakdown. The cheapest ServiceTitan alternatives are not direct replacements. They are simplified systems built for smaller teams that don't need enterprise-level dispatching or automation. To sum it up, the lowest cost options usually fall into 4 groups: lightweight job apps, mid-range contractor platforms, CRM-style tools, and mobile-first systems, each trading advanced features for lower pricing. Next step is simple. Before choosing, map your daily workflow from booking to invoice, and pick the cheapest tool that still supports every step without manual workarounds. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more ServiceTitan comparisons, field service software breakdowns, and simple rankings that make contractor tools easier to choose.